Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to move contacts from your Google account to SIM card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to move contacts from a Google account to a SIM card, you will first need to export the contacts from your Google account and save them as a VCF file. So simply tap open your contacts, and once you do this, go to your profile. Once you're there, simply tap on share and tap on vCard file. So once you do this, you can simply share this and download it on your device. So once you have done this, simply open the contact app and go to your app settings. Now look for any of the options like import or export or manage contacts. Once you do this, simply select the import option and choose the source of contacts. Now browse to the location where you have saved the .vcf file on your phone and select it. So once you have done this, choose the storage location for the imported contacts, and you will have options like phone or SIM card. Simply select SIM and follow the on-screen informations. Once you have done this, you can move your contact from your Google account to your SIM card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.